So this is a 1972 Z50 Honda Mini Trail. The frame is a 1972 and the motor is a 1979 R motor. Of course, the R motors came in the dirt bike, so they did not have a lighting coil. This motor does have a lighting coil in it. I wanted to get a motor that was closer to the frame as far as year and numbers go. This is the 1979 R motor. It's in pretty decent shape. It does run, shifts, drives, but the frame and the bike itself is in a little bit of rough shape. So I just kind of want to do not a ground up restoration, but just a rebuild. I did find this 71-72 motor with a lighting coil. It did have a stripped out kick arm shaft, so of course it had to be completely disassembled to put a new kick arm shaft in it, but the motor itself is in pretty good shape. It's a $399, which is a late 71, and when Honda built these motors, they built hundreds, thousands of them, and when the frames did change for the year, Honda did put 71 motors in 72 frames, or an earlier year and a later frame. So it's pretty appropriate for a $399 late 71 motor to go into an early 72 frame. And that's what I'm going to do. The 79 R motor does run, shift. That one will be for sale. If anybody's interested in a nice 1979 R motor with a lighting coil, get a hold of me. Otherwise, this motor is being rebuilt and going to go into the 72 frame. You'll notice the OEM oil plug there. I don't know when Honda did use Briggs oil plugs, but hey, it looks nice. As you can see, the kick arm shaft splines are all ripped out. I did get a brand new shaft with it, so the motor will be disassembled, the new kick arm shaft put in, and I'll have a bike with a pretty close matching number with a matching frame. Try it.
Put it down one.
Sure.
So this motor did have a bad kick shaft in it. The splines were all tortured. Had to take the whole motor apart. Cleaned all the parts, checked everything. Put this new kick shaft in. Brand new splines. Motor cases were blasted and cleaned. Both sides. Now just waiting for seals and a gasket kit. All parts to the motor were blasted. Not doing a ground up restoration on this. Just kind of doing a recondition rebuild. Motor was disassembled. Cylinder head and the flywheel were blasted. The cylinder was honed, looked pretty good, repainted black. Did put new valves in it and springs, and the rockers were good, so we just adjusted that. So the seat was in really good shape, but the seat pan was kind of ugly. So wire brushed and sanded and then taped that off and resprayed that seat pan. Both fenders, the chrome were in decent shape. So just blasted the underside and painted those with a satin black and then polished the chrome. The generator cover and the clutch cover, those were in good shape. Just blasted those and had a rattle can of gray paint and just sprayed them with the gray paint that I had. As I say, I'm not doing a ground up restoration, just kind of trying to make it a little more presentable.